everybody, welcome back. My name is Darshini Aithal. Today we're going to do a Zentangle tile. We're going to take the Zentangle inspiration sheet we had done with alphabets as our inspiration, and let's begin. So I've provided this PDF on the channel. If you'd like, you can print that or create your own squares. Each one is 3.5 by 3.5 inches. Draw 4 dots close to the edge of the corners. Now take a line, make a line connecting these dots. It doesn't have to be a straight line, it can be curved. Now you're going to draw strings or lines in between which are going to divide your tile. So let's start here by the corner. I'm going to draw some sad faces. And here I'm going to start from the corner over here a little higher up, and then just draw like a curved line and curve it, and then maybe end with a circle over here. So that's dividing our tile into sections. Now I'm going to take an ultrafine Sharpie and start lining them. Take an eraser. If you need to erase any lines, you can. Okay, we're going to start doing by this midsection, and I'm going to write M's. We're going to get inspired by M, go up and down, and up and down. Keep going. And finish it off. Now I'm going to draw another line inside, and over here. And over here, smaller triangles. If you want, you can take a finer pen and draw lines, more lines to make it look more detailed. And there you go. Now, I think I want to add some more depth to it. So I'm going to add some color. Make sure you're coloring all the spots. Don't miss any empty spaces. There you go. Now here I'm going to give some finer detail. I'm going to just draw circles over here. Over here, we're going to take the O as our inspiration and just draw them a little far apart. You can make them in different sizes. Once you're done, we're going to make finer detail, drawing small circles in between, filling it up all around in the whole area. The whole design is inspired by the O's. Okay, now we're done with this portion. Now we have to look at the other two sections, this one and this one. Here I was thinking just to keep it simple and make vertical lines, two close, and then three, and then one far away, and then again a pattern of three close together, and then make a distance, and then a little further away and a distance away, and three together. Okay. Over here we are going to draw vertical lines equally spaced out. Okay, now we're almost done. Let's sign our names, our initials. Okay, I'm going to take a pencil and do some shading underneath this line, and then underneath this line. Okay, let's do some shading here on the bottom, and some on the other side of this as well. Now we are gonna color every other circle. Shade it in. There you go. And if you wanted to, you could do a little shading on each one of them on the side, making it look like little bubbles. There you go. Almost done. Looks great. Okay, use the second square to do something with your own imagination. Bye. Thanks for joining me.